Thinking is a first step and taking action is the second step. So if you want to achieve anything, no matter what, it could be becoming fluent in English, yeah, speaking English, yeah, getting job. If you want to achieve, if you want to see in your life, in your future, so first step is thinking, and then second is taking action. So if you are thinking about this, you are on the right track and you are doing first step. Yeah, whatever we achieve in our life, first it comes in our mind as a thought, and then we keep thinking on that. In this way, that thought become part of our life and we start taking the action. But it is not so easy. Thinking is easy. We think, I want this one, I want that one, I want to live my life in this way, I want this one. We think in this way. But making it true, it's not so easy. For this, we have to take the step. Then, whatever we think we want to see in our life, we can achieve. So if you think about anything, no matter what, so keep thinking. But for that, you will have to take the step as well. Without taking the step, you can't make that thought in true. So here, if you want to speak English, if you want to become fluent in English, so this is the good thinking which you are thinking. But how you can make it possible? You also have to make it possible, not only think. So for making it come true, you will have to take the action. You cannot complete it by thinking only. Thinking first and second, taking the action. Yeah, here we have to encourage ourselves, push our confidence to take a step. We don't take easily, little bit it hard, but when we muster the courage and take action, we that time we make ourselves so confident by taking the action. And by when we take the action, then that things start becoming and coming in true, little bit little, Be- just because of taking the step. So if you think to become fluent in English, to speak English, yeah, anything, it's okay, it's so good that you are thinking. But don't wait for second step that it will come to you. No, you will have to go and start, and then in this way you can make it possible. So what are you waiting? Don't wait, take the action and start, and make it come true, make it possible, make your thinking in true. So if you have dream to speak English, yeah, you think, start taking action. And how you can take? By watching the English video. There are lot of video are available on YouTube. How to start English, what to do, you can watch. You can go and search and watch and start your journey in this way. And starting your journey, taking a step for that will make it possible gradually, my dear friend. So don't think only, try to take action and make possible whatever you think. So I hope you like. If you, then definitely make your dream, your thought come true by taking the action. Don't waste your time, don't waste your energy, and take a step. So bye bye, we will meet in next video.